Hi everyone. Welcome back to Lady Show English. Are you ready to supercharge your English vocabulary learning? Want to memorize words faster, more effectively, and have a blast while doing it? In this video, I'll guide you through a 7-day plan using 6 powerful memory methods to master English vocabulary. We'll focus on job interview English vocabulary as our example, but these techniques can be applied to any topic you're studying. By the end, your study process will feel engaging, impactful, and completely stress-free. So, let's dive in and start this exciting journey together. To begin, we'll kick off this 7-day journey by setting clear goals to keep us motivated and on track. Our goal for this week is to learn 10 new job interview English words each day using a different memory method. By switching up methods daily, we'll keep learning fun, fresh, and far from boring, so you stay excited about your progress. With that goal in mind, let's dive into today's method, spaced repetition. This technique helps you lock in words by reviewing them at strategic intervals. We'll learn 10 words today and review them on day 3 and day 5 to ensure they stick. Pair each word with a vivid mental image to make it fun. Here's our list. 1. Resume. Picture yourself confidently handing your resume to the HR manager, who smiles as they take it. 2. Qualification. Imagine proudly displaying your certificate framed in gold. 3. Experience. Recall your favorite job memory, like a successful project. 4. Skill. Visualize yourself showcasing a unique skill, like coding or presenting, in front of an impressed interviewer. 5. Strength. Pretend you're boldly answering, "What's your greatest strength?" with confidence. 6. Weakness. Imagine calmly explaining a weakness and how you're improving it during an interview. 7. Candidate. See yourself as a top candidate, nervously but excitedly waiting in the interview lobby. 8. Interview. Picture yourself sitting across from the interviewer, ready to shine. 9. Hire. Visualize your phone ringing with the HR manager saying, "You're hired," in an excited tone. 10. Position. Imagine applying for your dream job role, like a manager or designer, and feeling thrilled. Review plan. Mark your calendar to revisit these 10 words on day 3 and day 5. We'll recall their mental images to reinforce your memory. Setting a clear goal and starting with spaced repetition feels like a strong foundation, doesn't it? Let's keep the excitement going with a new technique tomorrow. With our goal set and day 1's words in progress, let's make learning even more memorable with mnemonics. Today, we'll create funny or exaggerated mental images to help 10 new words stick in your mind. These vivid pictures will make recalling vocabulary effortless and fun. Here's the next set of words with their quirky images. 1. Promotion. Picture yourself being lifted high on a golden chair by your colleagues, cheering for your promotion. 2. Salary. Imagine your bank account exploding with cash, coins flying everywhere like a cartoon. 3. Bonus. Visualize red envelopes filled with cash raining from the sky like a festive celebration. 4. Benefit. See yourself enjoying a free gym membership, gourmet lunches, and a cozy office, all in one amazing job package. 5. Job offer. Picture a glowing, sparkling letter in your mailbox that reads job offer in bold letters. 6. Networking. Imagine attending a huge party, shaking hands, and making friends with industry pros. 7. Reference. Visualize your former boss holding a giant, glowing recommendation letter with your name on it. 8. Cover letter. See yourself typing a dazzling golden cover letter that shines on your computer screen. 9. Interpersonal. Picture yourself smiling warmly and shaking hands with colleagues, building strong connections. 10. Confidence. Imagine strutting into the interview room, head held high, radiating unstoppable confidence. Wasn't that a fun way to lock in those words? Tomorrow, we'll deepen your understanding with context and revisit our Day 1 words for a quick review. With our goal set and Day 1's words in progress, let's make learning even more memorable with mnemonics. Today, we'll create funny or exaggerated mental images to help 10 new words stick in your mind. These vivid pictures will make recalling vocabulary effortless and fun. Here's the next set of words with their quirky images. 1. Promotion. Picture yourself being lifted high on a golden chair by your colleagues, cheering for your promotion. 2. Salary. Imagine your bank account exploding with cash, coins flying everywhere like a cartoon. 3. Bonus. Visualize red envelopes filled with cash raining from the sky like a festive celebration. 4. Benefit. See yourself enjoying a free gym membership, gourmet lunches, and a cozy office, all in one amazing job package. 5. Job offer. Picture a glowing, sparkling letter in your mailbox that reads job offer in bold letters. 6. Networking. Imagine attending a huge party, shaking hands, and making friends with industry pros. 7. Reference. Visualize your former boss holding a giant, glowing recommendation letter with your name on it. 8. Cover letter. See yourself typing a dazzling golden cover letter that shines on your computer screen. 9. Interpersonal. Picture yourself smiling warmly and shaking hands with colleagues, building strong connections. 10. Confidence. Imagine strutting into the interview room, head held high, radiating unstoppable confidence. Wasn't that a fun way to lock in those words? Tomorrow, we'll deepen your understanding with context and revisit our Day 1 words for a quick review. You're halfway through our 7-day plan. Great job staying committed. Today, we'll make learning interactive by combining speaking and writing. This method helps you internalize 10 new words by saying them aloud and writing them down, engaging both your voice and hands. For each word, say a sentence using it, then write it down to reinforce it. Imagine you're preparing for a real interview. Here's the list with suggested activities. 1. Presentation. Say, I delivered a strong presentation to the team. Write, my presentation skills impressed the audience. 2. Negotiation. Say, I'm skilled at negotiation with clients. Write, negotiation is key to closing deals. 3. Proposal. Say, I submitted a detailed project proposal. Write, the proposal outlined my plan clearly. 4. Contract. Say, I signed a contract for my new job. Write, the contract included great benefits. 5. Client. Say, I met with an important client today. Write, building trust with the client is essential. 6. Revenue. Say, our project increased company revenue. Write, revenue grew by 15% this year. 7. Expense. Say, I tracked all project expenses carefully. Write, managing expenses keeps the budget on track. 8. Budget. Say, I created a budget for the new project. Write, the budget ensured cost efficiency. 9. Task. Say, I completed all my tasks on time. Write, each task was checked off my list. 10. Manager. Say, my manager gave clear instructions. Write, the manager supported our team's success. Practice tip. Say each sentence aloud with confidence, as if in an interview, then write it neatly in a notebook or on your device. This dual action locks the words in your memory. Speaking and writing feel so engaging, don't they? Tomorrow, we'll use multiple senses and revisit Day 1's words for another review. You're killing it, staying true to our goal of diverse learning methods. Let's begin with our second spaced repetition review of Day 1's words. Recall resume, qualification, experience, skill, strength, weakness, candidate, interview, hire, and position. Picture those mental images, handing over your resume, showcasing your skills, or hearing you're hired. Feel confident? You're nailing it. Now, let's make learning even more immersive with multisensory learning. We'll use sight, sound, writing, and imagination to cement 10 new words in your memory. This approach engages your brain in multiple ways. Let's try it out. 1. Interviewee. Say interviewee aloud while imagining yourself answering questions confidently. 2. Interviewer. Hear the interviewer's voice asking, "Tell me about yourself," in a professional tone. 3. Questionnaire. Picture yourself filling out a detailed questionnaire in your mind, writing clear answers. 4. Evaluation. Imagine your boss scribbling notes about your performance during an evaluation. 5. Work ethic. Visualize yourself working diligently at your desk, fully focused. 6. Punctuality. Hear a clock ticking as you arrive 10 minutes early to a meeting. 7. Dress code. See yourself in a sharp, professional suit, ready for the interview. 8. Body language. Imagine smiling with confident posture, making a great impression. 9. Strengths and weaknesses. Act out answering both questions in front of a mirror. 10. Self-introduction. Practice saying, "Hi, my name is," your name, "and I'm excited to be here," out loud. Using all your senses makes learning so vivid. Tomorrow, we'll organize our words into themes to tie everything together. You're almost at the finish line, and our varied methods are keeping things exciting. Today, we'll organize 10 new words into a cohesive theme: interview skills and attitude. Grouping words by theme helps your brain create connections, making recall easier during real interviews. Picture yourself in an interview scenario as you learn these words. 1. Confidence. Walk into the interview room with unshakable confidence. 2. Eye contact. Maintain steady eye contact with the interviewer to show engagement. 3. Active listening. Nod and lean forward to show you're actively listening. 4. Clarity. Answer questions clearly and concisely, avoiding rambling. 5. Enthusiasm. Speak with energy and passion about your skills and goals. 6. Initiative. Share your own ideas, like suggesting a new project approach. 7. Problem solving. Tackle tough questions by offering creative solutions. 8. Team player. Highlight how you collaborate effectively with colleagues. 9. Flexibility. Show you can adapt to sudden changes, like new priorities. 10. Time management. Explain how you organize your workday to stay productive. Grouping words by theme feels like building a story, doesn't it? Tomorrow, we'll wrap up with a big review to celebrate your progress. You've made it to day 7. Congratulations on achieving our goal of learning 60 words with 6 unique methods. Today, we won't learn new words. Instead, we'll review all 60 job interview English words using the 6 memory methods you've mastered. This final review will solidify everything and leave you feeling accomplished. Here's how we'll do it. 1. Spaced repetition. Revisit day 1's words, resume, qualification, etc. one last time, along with words from other days, using their mental images. 2. Mnemonics/mental images. Recall the funny or exaggerated images you created for each word. 3. Learn in context. Repeat the sentences from day 3 to reinforce meaning. 4. Speaking and writing. Say and write a few sentences using words from day 4. 5. Multisensory. Say the words aloud, visualize them, and write down a few. 6. Thematic grouping. Group the words into categories like interview skills, job terms, and personal qualities. You've just completed a 7-day journey, mastering 60 job interview English words with fun, variety, and confidence. Give yourself a round of applause. That's the power of using different memory methods to learn vocabulary. It keeps your study sessions fun, fresh, and highly effective. By setting a clear goal and using spaced repetition, mnemonics, context, speaking and writing, multi-sensory learning, and thematic grouping, you've built a strong foundation for mastering English vocabulary. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a lesson. Want more tips like these? Drop a comment below with your favorite memory method or a topic you'd like us to cover next. This is Lady Show English, and I'll see you in the next video.